So here is how you can hide a folder in File Manager on your Android device. If you're new on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get started. So of course you need to locate the File Manager. On my Samsung device, it is just the My Files by Samsung right here, and I can browse my local storage. I can go to the internal storage, whatever I have available. I can essentially manage it or hide any of the folders in there. So for example, I have one in here which is called alarms, right? Let's say I want to hide this one. So the way that I'm going to approach this is that I'm going to hold down on it. This folder gets selected and I click on more options. Right now I have the ability to click on compress like that, and I can choose that this folder is going to be still called alarms, but it's going to be zipped into the zip file format. We even have like the 7-zip, and we can as well set up a password if you want to lock it, right? But let's say we're going to set it up like this for better, or to hide it better. I'm going to give it a secret name, or I'm going to give it like a hidden, right? And I'm going to compress it. So as you can see, we now have a hidden zipped file in there, and we also have the alarms folder which remained intact. And what we're going to do with this hidden folder is that I'm going to select it and hold down on it so it gets selected like that. I'm going to click on more and tap on rename. And I'm basically going to change the zip extension to be something random. Like let's say I'm going to just type it in here, info. So I'm going to click on rename it like this. It's going to ask me if I'm really sure about it, because right now I just ended up having just like a random file which doesn't get open through essentially anything. It literally says hidden.info, right? And I don't really know what it is. So once I'm in this situation, I can get rid of the alarms folder because I just don't want it to be visible like this. I'm going to remove it, right? Move to trash, perhaps remove it entirely. And now instead of it, I have this hidden.info file. So everything that was stored in that folder is part of this, and it's completely hidden. You have no way of knowing that it is the same thing. So you can put it somewhere, I don't know, like you can move it into a different folder, right? Or let's say I'm going to put it into the movies folder, right? I can move it in there and it's hidden, right? I have effectively made the folder hidden. So if I want to return it and kind of like get access to it back, all I have to do is just go back to this folder wherever I put it in the movies. I'm going to hold down on it and essentially reverse the process. So I'm going to rename it back to the zip extension like that. Click on rename, confirm it, and now I can tap on it and it's going to be extracted, right? So I'm going to extract it like this, give it a name of whatever, and now you can see whatever was inside of there. I can access it, and as you can see, this is a nice way to hide the folders, right? So that is how it works. Let me know if you managed to make that work on your device too. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you later in the future uploads.